Hi! MarsDAO allows you to participate in our partner staking events with certain advantages. Participating in partner staking is easy. We'll look at the process using Thunderlands as an example. The first thing to do is to go to the MarsDAO website. Click on Launch the app in the upper right corner. Next, connect a wallet of your choice from the list offered. In our case, it's MetaMask. After that, go to the partner section of the website, choose a partner staking option and click on it. For depositing assets, we need the deposit section. Click on Approve and confirm the permission for access. Then enter the amount of MDAO you want to deposit and click on Deposit. Confirm the transaction. Basically, that's all. We just sent MDAO to partner staking. When the reward arrives in partner tokens, click on Harvest and collect it. You can withdraw your deposit to MDAO through the withdrawal section. Soon there will be more partner staking options on the platform, so stay tuned for the updates. Look for ways to use MDAO on our Medium page and our other video tutorials. See you soon!